Okay, right. So in the previous class we have seen like working with the operators, and in the operators we have seen plus operator and minus. Okay. Now let us talk about other operators. So there is a star operator. Okay. Okay, this operator is used to perform two operations. Okay, you can use this operator to perform two operations. Okay, one is for multiplying, and second one is repetitions. Oh, second is for repetitions. Repetition or repeating a sequence number of times. So you can use this multiply operator to perform two operations. You can use this multiply operator to perform two operations. So here if two operands are if two operands are numeric type, okay, if two operands are numeric type, it performs what is that? Multiplication. Okay, if two operands are numeric type, if two operands are numeric type, then it performs multiplication. If two operands are numeric type, it will perform multiplication. Okay. So what is the meaning of this is? For example, n1. n1 is again number, and n2 is also number here. I'm saying n3 equal to n1, n2, n2. Now you can see the value of n1, the value of n1, n2, and n3. So what is the value of n1 here? 5. And the value of n2 is 8. And the value of n3 is what here? 40. So because equal to 2.0, f3 equal to f1 into what is that? f2. So there is f1, f2, and there is one more value called f3. There is f1, f2, and there is one more value called which one? f3. Okay. Yes. If the operands are numbers, it will do which one? Multiplication. If operands are numbers, it will do which one? Multiplication. Okay, no problem. Okay, so if it is a numeric type, sorry, if it is a numeric type, so it will do multiplication. If it is a numeric type, it will do multiplication. Okay, now, if it is numeric type, it will do multiplication. Yes. For example, yes, it is also used for repetition. When will it do the repetition? So it is used to repeat. It is used to repeat. Okay. Repeat one sequence number of times. Number of times. If you want to repeat one sequence means, for example, string, list, all these are called as which one? Sequences. For example, there is a string S1 equal to within double quotes. I write NIT. NIT into 5. S1 equal to NIT into 5. So NIT is what here? String. And this string you are repeating it how many times? 5 times. If I print S1, what is the value of S1? NIT get printed how many times here? 5 times. Okay, you can write in any way. Suppose, okay, 10 into, okay, I want to repeat one star. How many times here? 10 times. If I'm trying to say print S2, now S2 is printed how many times? 10 times. I can write like this also, print. Okay, I want to print, I want to draw the line. So I can repeat this line how many times? Some 30 times. So it will just draw the line. So I can say, for example, some x equal to, there is a list 10, 20, 30, 40. Now what is this here list? I want to repeat this list how many times? 5 times. Now this is a x which contain these elements are repeated how many times? 5 times. Means if you want to repeat one sequence, if you want to repeat one sequence number of times, you can repeat one sequence number of times using which one? Star operator. So you can use this star operator to perform how many operations? 2 operations. One is for multiplying and one more is for repetitions. If 2 operands are numeric type, it perform which one? Multiplication. And if it is also used to repeat one sequence number of times. So sequences are this here. Sequences are like which one? String. Okay, list. Okay, tuple. All these are which one here? Sequences. And if you want to repeat this sequence number of times, you can repeat this sequence number of times by using which operator? Star operator, which is called as multiplication. star operator, which is called as multiplication, right? Then there is one more operator which is called as a slash. Okay, now this is called as division operator. This is called as which operator? Division operator. So this operator divide two numbers. Divide two numbers and get the result in what? Float. So it is also called, this operator divides two numbers and get the result in float. So it is also called float division operator. Float division operator. Okay. So what is the meaning of this here is, for example, you are trying to do the division here. You are trying to do what? Division operator. For example, suppose assume that, okay, for example, assume that, so this will get the quotient, right? For example, I'm trying to say some x equal to, suppose I'm saying x equal to 5, okay, divided by 2. So here you are trying to divide. 5 is a numerator, 5 is a numerator and 2 is what? Denominator. So here how many times here? 2 times. And this is 4. And what is the remainder? 1. So dot, and this one is what here? 0. And how many times here? 5 times. And this value is what here? 10. And what is the remainder? 0. So this operator gets a result. Now this is called as which one? Quotient. This will return which one? Quotient. So what is the value of x here? 2.5. The value of x is what here? 2.5. X value is a 2.5. In the same way, if I'm writing y equal to some 6 divided by 3. Y equal to 6 divided by 3. Now, if 6 is a numerator and 3 is what here? Denominator. How many times here? 2 times. And what is the remainder here? 6. So what is the value of y? 2.0. You get the result in always which type? Float type. Okay, you get always the result as which type? Float type. You get the result in float type. So this is float division operator. So but this will return quotient. Okay, this is written what? Quotient. Okay, it is a float division. It is a float division. For example, if I'm saying print, okay, print, okay, 5 divided by 2. So what is the result here? 2.5. If I'm saying print 6 divided by 3, what is the value of it? 2.0. But you cannot divide number with what? 0. You cannot divide a number with 0. If you are trying to divide a number with 0, then you'll get which error? 0 division error. So you cannot divide a number with the 0. For example, if I'm writing, suppose, now tell me, if I'm writing print 0 divided by 0, tell me if I write 0 divided by 0, will you get error or not? Because you cannot divide a number with what? 0. You cannot divide a number with what? 0. If you're trying to divide a number with 0, it generates what? Error. It's not an infinite value, but you get which one? Error. So you cannot divide a number with 0. For example, okay, write a program here. File. How to write a program? Just see here. File, new file. File, new file. Okay. So write a program. This is commenting. Write a program to find which one? Simple interest. Okay, write a program to find simple interest. So what is the formula for simple interest? PTR by 100. What is the formula for simple interest? PTR by 100. So P is nothing but principal amount, T is nothing but time, R is nothing but rate, and divided by 100. So you have to enter which value? Principal amount. Okay. So I try to input the value, and that value I'm converting into which type? Float type. Enter amount, principal amount. Then second one is a time. Time I'll take it as integer. So enter time, and then R equal to float of, okay, input rate of interest. That is input rate. Then after that you are saying simple interest equal to P into T into R. So PTR by what is it here? 100. So P into T into R divided by 100. So after that, I'm displaying the simple interest. So this is a heading simple interest. Okay, simple interest. I display the value of SI. I display the value of which one? SI. So SI is a variable. Now first value is assigned to P, and second value is assigned to what? T, and third value is assigned to what? R. Then you are trying to multiply and dividing with what? 100. Okay, save this here. So save the program, and after saving the program, okay, you can execute it by saying run what? Run module. So enter the amount, principal amount, and the time is 12. Rate of interest is 1.2. You can see simple interest is what? 720.0. So in this, I'm trying to use how many operators? Two operators. One is multiplying and one more is what? Division. I'm using how many operators here? Two operators. One is multiplying operator and one more is division operator. Okay, multiplication operator and one more is a division operator. Float. Even though you get the result in integer, that result will be converted into which one? Float. Actually, 6 divided by 3, how many times it is? 2 times. And what is the quotient here? 2. Actually, it is 2, but it returned the result as what? 2.0. It is actually 2, but it returned the result as 2.0. Okay. Yes. Then there is one more division operator. And what is that division operator is? Slash and slash. There's one more division operator, and that is what here? Slash and slash. Now slash slash is also called which operator? Division operator. Okay, but this division operator, this is called floor division operator. Floor division operator. This is what? Floor division operator. This operator divide. Okay, divide two numbers. Divides two numbers and get the result. Okay, get the result in integer. Get the result in what? Integer. Get the result in integer. For example, if you take this division operator, see what is the difference between this both is? Okay, what is the difference between this two operators is? What is the difference between slash slash and slash? Now this is a slash and this is slash slash. But both will get the quotient only. But after dividing, okay, if you are dividing integer with integer, you get the result in float. If you divide integer with integer, you get the result in float. Okay, you get the result in what here? Float. When you divide integer with integer, you get the result in float. But when it comes to this, when you divide integer with integer, you get the result in integer. Integer with integer, you get the result in integer. If you divide a float with float, anyway, you get the result in float. Anyway, you get the result in float. But if you divide a float with float, you get the result in integer. The result will be integer. The result will be integer, which will be converted to what? Float. But result is what here? Integer. But that integer result is converted to float because of broader conversion. Because of which conversion? Broader convert. Result is integer only, but that result will be converted into what? Float. So it means this floor division is also called integer division. We'll see with the example. Don't worry. We'll see with the example here. So how this division will work here. But both will get the quotients only. But both will get the quotients only, right? So slash will get the same thing and slash slash also get the same thing. But the difference you have to understand, the difference you have to understand here between the slash and what is that? Slash and slash. For example, if you see this example, okay, if you see the example of some result 1 equal to 5 divided by 2, okay, and result 2, okay, result 2 equal to 5 divided by 2. So both are division operators only. Both are which operators? Division operators only. But if I am writing here 5, this is a 5. Okay, 5 divided by which one? 2. So how many times here? 2 times. And sorry. Okay, 4. And what is the remainder here? 1. So it will divide the number until remainder is what? 0. It will divide the number until remainder is 0. 5. Okay. So how many times here? 5 times. And what is the value here? 0. So what is the result 1 year? 2.5. What is the result 1 year? 2.5. But when it comes to the floor division, I'm saying 5. When it comes to the floor division, 5. So how many times here? One minute. Here. Now if you see how many times it is? 2 times. Okay, 2 times and it is 4. And what is the remainder here? 1 and 5. Okay. And this is how many times here? 5 times. And what is the remainder? 0. So what is the quotient here? 2.5. But it will take this result as which type? Integer type. So what is the value of result 2 here? 2. What is the value of result 2 here? 2. The value of result 2 is what here? 2. But the value of result 1 is what? 2.5. Getting or not? It means it is dividing two numbers. అదేంటి ఏంటి ఆ మెసేజ్ ఏం పెడుతున్నాడు ఆయన మహేష్ ఎవరి దాని గురించి అడుగుదా అంటే లేపలేప సార్ నువ్వు చేసి నాకు ఫోన్ నంబర్ లేదు. Okay, right. Now this is how it is. But this will get the result in, yeah, this will get the result in which one? Integer. Okay, this will get the result in what here? Integer. Okay. Yeah, just see here. But what will happen? Suppose, yes. So just try to understand this. So what will happen if, see what will happen if the numerator or denominator is float type? What will happen if the numerator or denominator is which type? Float type. Anything. For example, result 3 equal to 5.0 divided by 2. Now this is which division? Float division. Anyway, I'll get the result 3 as what? 2.5. But here, if I'm writing result 4 equal to 5.0 slash 2. Okay, then what is the value of result 4? Okay, the value of result 4 is 2.0. So actually you get the result in which one? Integer. Actually you get the result in which type? Integer type only. Because of in float and integer, which one is a broader type? Float. Yesterday we have seen. Whenever you do arithmetic, always you get the result in which type? Broader type. So in integer and float, which one is a broader type? Float. So it will convert that integer result into which type? Float type. But actually result is what? Result is 2.5 or 2, 2. But that 2 will be converted into what? 2.0. Because of which conversion? Broader conversion. It will convert into 2.0 because of which conversion here? Broader conversion. It is not 2.5. It will not take 2.5. Result is integer only, but that result, integer result is converted to what? Float. Because of which conversion? Broader conversion. Because of broader conversion, it will convert the result of floor division into what? Float type. Result of floor division into which type? Float type. Okay. Yes. Just try to see here. Okay. Just try to see here. For example, if I'm saying print, okay, 5//2. Okay. Is a 2 here? And if I'm saying print 5.0//2, what it is? 2.0. If I'm saying print 5//2.0, it is again what? 2.0. But if I'm saying print 5/2, okay, this is float division 2.5. Okay, because this is which division? Float division. But this is which division? Floor division. So there is a float division and there is also what? Floor division. Okay. But this both will get. Now this is very much useful. Suppose this is very much useful. If you want to, a best example is like, suppose there is a number called some 456. Okay. From 456. Okay. I want to eliminate one digit. From 456, I want to eliminate which digit? 6. Then what will I do if I say slash 10? If I say slash 10, what will I get? If I say slash 10, what will I get? 45.6. But if I say 456 slash 10, okay, what is the value I'll get? 45. Okay, what will I get here? 45. If I'm saying 456 slash 10, I'll get 45.6. But I want to eliminate one digit. I mean, digit called 6. Then I'll say 456 slash 10. What is the result? 45. Again, I'll say 45. Assume that 45 slash 10. What will I get here? 4. If I say 4 slash 10, what will I get? 0. Now, this is useful if you want to find the length of a number. I want to find the length of a number. Then what do you do it? Divide the number until number is 0. Divide the number until number is what? 0. Divide the number until it number is 0. No, it will not round it. No rounding is done. There's no rounding is done here. Okay, there's no rounding. So you divide a number until number is what? 0. It will not do the rounding. Okay, it will not do the rounding. So just try to understand the application here. Just try to understand the application here, right? So where exactly it is used. Okay, some applications you'll try to solve it by using which operator? Slash operator slash operator. Okay, yes. This is called as which division here? Integer division. There is one more operator which is called as percentage. So percentage is called which operator? Modulus. Modulus operator or modular operator or modular operator. Okay. Now this operator divide two numbers. This operator divides two numbers and get the remainder. Operator and get the remainder. Okay, this will get the remainder, but slash get the quotient, but percentage get the remainder. If you want to find out the remainder, you can find out the remainder using which operator? Percentage. You can find the remainder using which operator? Percentage operator. For example, okay, this is to find out the remainder. For example, there is a number. Okay, there is a number called 5. Okay, so 5 mod. Okay, 5 mod 2. 5 mod 2. So divide 5 with what here? 2. So how many times it is? 2 times. And what is the remainder here? 1. The remainder is what here? 1. So what is the result here? 1. In the same way, if I'm saying 9 mod, if I'm saying 9 mod 2, how many times you divide? Only one time. Okay, 9 mod 2, how many times here? 4 times. Okay, and what is the remainder here? 1. So what is the value of this result here? 1. Okay, suppose assume that, okay, 10 mod, okay, 10 mod, okay, 10 mod 4, 10 mod 4. Now you are dividing 10 with what here? 4. How many times here? 2 times. And what is the remainder? 2. So the remainder is what here? 2. So percentage operator, what it is getting here? Remainder. Percentage operator, what it is getting? Remainder. So if you want to find out the remainder, you can find out the remainder, okay, by using percentage. Okay, write a program, suppose. Now this is useful to check whether number is even number or odd number. If I want to check a number is even number or odd number, I have to find out which one remainder. If the remainder is 0, then I'll say it is which number? Even number. If the remainder is not 0, then it is a odd number. It means not only that, suppose if you want to find out whether a number is multiples, is it number is a multiples of number or not, that even I can find out using which one? Percentage. For example, you are developing ATM application. For example, you are developing which one? ATM application. And within ATM, you have to enter the amount in multiples of 100. You have to enter the amount in multiples of 100 or 500 because that ATM contain 100 rupees notes or 500 rupees notes or 200 rupees notes. Then you have to enter the amount in multiples of 100 or 500 or what? 200. Then how can you find out is it that values are multiples of 500 or 200 or 100 by dividing with what? 100 or 200 or what is that? 300 or whatever it is. Okay. So you can find out that by using which operator? Percentage operator. Okay. So write a program to find. Write a program to find. Okay, reminder. Okay, so I'll try to enter n1 integer of input. Enter which number? First number. n2 equal to integer of input. Okay, enter which one? Second number. Input first number, second number. n3 equal to n1 mod n2. So I try to print n1, n2, and what? n3. So how many values I'm printing here? 3 values. Now once you run this, now 3 and 2, what is the remainder here? 1. Okay, I try to input some 10. Okay, 10, 4. What is the remainder here? 2. So if you want to find out the remainder, you can find the remainder by using which operator? Percentage. You can find the remainder using which operator? Percentage operator. Okay. Now we'll see the examples. Okay. But just try to understand this operators first. And there is another operator. There is another operator which is called as star star. Okay, star star, which is called as exponent operator, or which is called as power of operator. So this operator is used. Okay, this operator is used to find power of a number. This operator is used to find the power of a number. If you want to find the power of a number, you can find the power of a number by using which operator? Exponent operator. You can find the power of a number using which operator? Exponent operator. So what is the operator here? Star and star. So star and star. Okay. So for example, suppose anything. For example, yes. I'm trying to say print. Okay, 5 to the power of 2. Okay, I'm saying print. Okay, 5.0 power of 2. Okay, I'm saying print. Okay, 5 to the power of, I can write 5 to the power of minus 1. 5 to the power of minus 1, which is 0.2. I'm writing 5 to the power of minus 2. So here power can be either positive or it can be what? Negative. So 5 to the power of minus 2, which is 0.04, right? So if you want to find the power of any number, you can find out power of a number by using which operator? Exponent operator. For example, yes. For example, square. If you want to find out the square, okay, square of a number or power of any number, suppose write a program to find what is that area of, what is this here, circle. Area of circle, what is the formula for this area? Equal to pi into pi r square, right? Pi r square. So pi into r into r. So you can write like this, or you can use r square. But here, now pi value is, I can take the pi value from one module. I can take a pi value from one module, which is called as CMath. And this CMath module is having a variable called which one? Pi, or CMath. CMath or math. Okay, there is a variable called which one? Pi. So what is the value of pi here? 3.14. 3.141592, like this. This is the value of which one? Pi. So instead of taking my own pi value, I take the pi value from which module? CMath module. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to import which module? CMath module. Okay, complex mathematical functions. Okay. So after that, I try to input the value of r. So r is nothing but radius. So enter the value of, which one? R. R is nothing but radius here. Input the value of r. R is nothing but what here? Radius. Input r value. And after that, I'm saying area equal to CMath dot pi into r to the power of which one? 2. R to the power of 2. See here. This is which operator? Power of operator. So r to the power of 2. This is r to the power of 2. Pi into r to the power of 2. Then after that, I'm printing which value? Area. So this is nothing but pi r square. This is nothing but what here? Pi r square. So square. I'm finding it by using which operator? Star star. I'm finding it by using which operator here? Star and star. Star star is the operator. So that will get the power. So once I run this, now it's asking to input the value of r. Now the radius is some 1.2, and you can see the value is 4.5239 like this. But there is number of decimal places, right? So total how many decimal places will be there? 16. But if you want to have only 2 decimal places, you can do formatting. Okay. You can do formatting, or you can use round. You can use one function called which one? Round. Using a round function, you can perform rounding of this particular value. Okay, but we'll see that. How can you do the rounding and other things here? But this is finding the power of a number. You can find the power of a number by using which operator? Exponent operator. But always the operators are evaluated. Based on presidency of operators. Always the operators are evaluated. Now, if you see these arithmetic operators, how many arithmetic operators are there? There is a plus, and there is what? Minus, and there is a star, and there is a slash, and there is a slash slash, and there is a percentage, and there is a star star. So all these are called which operators? Arithmetic operators. But these operators are evaluated. These operators are evaluated or executed based on the precedency. For example, in school, you learn, right? In school, you learn. What you learn? BODMAS. Okay, how the operators are evaluated? By using BODMAS. BODMAS means, what is this here? Bracket. First precedence is given to which one? Bracket in school, like. And then second one is what? Off. And third one is what? Division. Fourth one is what? Multiplication. Fifth one is what? Addition. Next one is what? Subtraction. This is in mathematics. No, that cap in C language, not here. That is in C language. Prakar, Patak. That is not here. This operator is there, but it is bitwise operator. Exclusive OR operator. It is exclusive OR operator. XOR operator. This is XOR operator, not power of operator. It is there, but it is not power of operator, but that is bitwise operator. Okay, now BODMAS. So always the evaluation of expression is done based on which one? Presidency. Evaluation of operators are done based on the presidency. So presidency define which operator should be executed first and which operator is executed next. For example, if I'm writing one expression, right, I'll give you the examples. If I'm writing one expression and if I'm saying print, okay, print 5 plus 2 into, okay, 5 minus 2. What is the result? 5 plus 2 into 5 minus 2. What is the result? Okay, result is, what is the result? BODMAS. Apply BODMAS here. If you apply BODMAS, which one is executed first? Multiply. First it will do which one? Multiply. 2 into 5 is what? 10. Then 5 plus 10 minus 2. 5 plus 10 is what? 15. 15 minus 2 is what? 13. What is the result? 13. Don't say 5 plus 2 into 5 minus 2. Okay, don't say 5 plus 2 into 5 minus 2. Okay, 5 plus 2 is a 7 and 5 minus 2 is a 3. So it is not 35. Okay, 35 or something you are saying, no, it is not that one. 21, no, not like that. So always the evaluation of operators are done based on the presidency. So first priority is given to which one? Star. And next is given to the plus and then what? Minus. Plus and minus. Now what is the result here? 30. But if I want 5 plus 2, result should be multiplied with 5 minus 2. I'll try to put this expression in what? Parenthesis. So 5 plus 2 into, I have to say what here? 5 minus 2. Now in this case, which one is given first presidency? Parenthesis. Now what is 5 plus 2 here? 7. And what is 5 minus 2 here? 3. And what is the result? 21. The result is 21. So always the operators are evaluated based on what? Presidency. So operator presidency tells that which operator should be executed first and which operator should be executed next. Which operator is executed first and which operator is executed next. That is defined by presidency of what? Operators. That is defined by the presidency of the operators. So here, what is operator presidency here? Operator presidency. Okay, now this is important because you should know so many operators are there in Python, but as a Python developer, you should know which operator is executed first and which operator is executed next. Now, operator presidency. The following table summarizes the operator precedence in Python from highest presidency toward lowest presidency. That is most binding toward least binding. Means highest operator to lowest operator. But this presidency you can change it, like operators in the same box. Operator in the same box will have the same presidency unless the syntax is explicitly given. Operators are what? Binary. and operators in the same box group from left to right. It means if it is having equal presidency, the evaluation is done from where? Left to right. If it is having same presidency, the evaluation will be done from left to right. Except for which operator? Exponential operator. What is that exponential operator? Star star. Okay, which groups from which one? Right to left. Right to left. Yes. Yes. So this is a thing what you have to remember here. The following table, because there are so many operators are there. So I just take for this table from documentation. I'm just taking this table from where? Documentation. So if the operators is having same presidency, the evaluation is done from where? Left to right. Okay, except for which one? Exponent operator, which is evaluated from where? Right to left. I'll tell you with the example. But if you see this table, right? If you see this table now, so many operators are there. Okay, yes. There are number of operators here. Now you can see all these are operators. Okay. Now this is the operator and description of this. Now you can see expression, parenthesis, highest precedence is given to which one? Parenthesis and square brackets, curly braces, right? These are given highest presidency, and next is given to what? Subscripting, slicing, attributes like that. And next is given to await expression, and next is given to which one? Exponential. Okay, and next is given to star, slash, 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 and percentage. Is a star and slash and slash, slash, and percentage, is it given equal presidency or not? Yes. And plus and minus also given equal presidency. But in arithmetic operators, first precedence is given to which one? Star star. Next precedence is given to which one? Star, and then slash slash and slash, and one more is what? Percentage. And next is given to which one? Plus and minus. And there is a shift operators, there is a bitwise AND operator, exclusive OR operator, and bitwise OR operator, and in, not in, is, not, less than, greater than, not operator, AND operator, OR operator, if and else, then lambda, and last least precedence is which one? Walrus operator, which is called as assignment expression. But in a given arithmetic operators, now just see here. Okay, the presidency of which operators? Arithmetic operators. If you see arithmetic operators presidency, okay, so first is given to which one? Star star, which is called as exponent operator. And next precedence is given to which one? Star, comma, what is that? Slash. Okay, slash, comma, slash, slash, comma, what is that? Percentage. That is nothing but multiply. And next one is float division. Float division, and next is what? Floor division. These are given equal presidency. And next one is what? Modulus. Okay, modulus operator. And then next one is what? Plus and minus. Now this is nothing but addition, and one more is what? Subtraction. Okay. Now if you see one expression, if the expression is having these operators, right? So the first is given to which one? Star star. And next is given to star, slash, 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 and percentage. But highest precedence is given to which one? Parenthesis. The thing which is given inside parenthesis will be evaluated what? First. The thing which is given in parenthesis will be evaluated first. For example, if I am writing like this, if it is equal presidency, then evaluation is done from right to left to right. For example, I am saying 5 plus. Just see your examples. 5 plus 2 plus 3. I am writing 5 plus 2 plus 3. How many operators are there? two operators. One is plus and one more is also plus. Same operators, same presidency. Then evaluation is from left to right. So plus is which operator? Binary operator. It evaluates it by taking how many operands? Two operands. 5 plus 2 is what here? 7. And 7 plus 3 is what here? 10. The result of this is what here? 10. Suppose if I am writing 5 plus 2, if I am writing 5 plus 2 minus 3, 5 plus 2 minus 3, then how many operators are there? Two operators. One is a plus and one more is what? Minus. Is it plus and minus is given same presidency or not? Yes. Plus and minus is given same presidency. Then evaluation is from left to right. 5 plus 2 is what here? 7. And 7 minus 3 is 7 minus 3 is what here? 4. Because these operators are equal presidency operators or not? Yes. If I'm writing 5 minus 2, if I'm writing 5 minus 2 plus 5 minus 2 plus 3, how many operators are there? Two operators. One is minus and one more is a plus. Is it both are given equal presidency or not? Yes. Then 5 minus 2 is what here? 3. And 3 plus 3 is what here? 6. So what is the result of this here? 6. And what is the result of this here? 4. So if the operator, if the expression is having same presidency operators, then evaluation is done from where? Left to right. If it is having same presidency operators, evaluation is done from left to right. Left to right. Evaluation is done from left to right. For example, okay, for example, if I'm writing 5, okay, 5 into, okay, 5 into 3, 5 into 3, okay, divided by 2. 5 into 3 divided by 2. How many operators are there? Two operators. One is star and one more is what? Slash. Multiplying is there and what? Division is there. Is it this both the operators are given same presidency or different? Same. Then evaluation is done from where? Left to right. 5 into 3 is what? 15. Okay, 5 into 3 is a 15. And 15 divided by 2. And 15 divided by 2 is what? 7.5. If I'm writing 5, if I'm writing 5 slash 3, 5 slash 3 into 2. If I'm writing 5 slash 3 into 2, how many operators are there? Two operators. One is slash and one more is the star. Is it both are given equal presidency or not? Yes. Evaluation is done from left to right. 5 divided by 3 is 5 divided by 3 is what here? 1 point 1 point what? 3 1.6. 1.6 into what is that? 2. 1.6 into 2, 3.2. The result is 3.2, right? Then suppose if I'm writing 5, if I'm writing 5, see, these are equal. I'm saying 5 mod. If I'm writing 5 mod 2, if I'm writing 5 mod 2, 5 mod 2, okay, slash slash, 5 mod 2 slash slash 2. Then this is having how many operators? Two operators. One is a modulus operator and one more is division. Is it both are given equal presidency or not? Yes. Then evaluation is done from where? Left to right. 5 mod 2. What is the remainder? What is the remainder? 1. And 1 slash slash 2. What is the result? What is the result? What is the result? How 0? 0. What is the result? 0. What is the result? 0. Because 1 divided by 2. And this is 0 point. Okay, 0 point. Actually, you'll get which one? 5. But because of this is which division? Floor division. The result will be what? 0. So if the operator is having equal presidency, the evaluation is done from left to right. If it is equal presidency, it is done from left to right. But this is for exceptional For which operator? Exponent operator. For example, I'm saying 2 to the power of 1 to the power of 2 to the power of 1 to the power of 6. So how many operators are there? 2. And is it both are exponent operators or not? Yes. But when it is the exponent operator, the evaluation is from where? Right to left. Except for this, the evaluation is right to left. Means first it will do 1 to the power of 6. 1 to the power of 6 is what? 1. And then after that 2 to the power of 2 to the power of what? 1. What is the result here? 2. Now this is an exceptional case for which operator? Exponent operator. If you have a multiple exponent operators, the evaluation is from right to left. Multiple exponent operator. For example, 1 plus 2 to the power of 3. Okay, 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 plus. Okay, 1 plus. Again, I'm writing 3 to the power of 2. So if you take this particular expression, how many operators are there in this expression? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But how many plus operators are there? 3. How many exponent operators? 2. Okay, so 2 exponential operators are there. Then how evaluation is done? Is it from left to right or right to left? Right to left. So first it will evaluate which one? 3 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2 is what? 9. 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Okay, then 1 plus. 1 plus 2 to the power of 3 is what? 2 to the power of 3 is what? 8. 8 plus. 8 plus what is that? 1 plus 9. Okay, 8 plus 1 plus 9. Okay, 8 plus 1 plus 9. But evaluation is, just try to understand. Evaluation is from right to left. So 1 plus 8. Now this is total result. You'll get what? 19. If you want, you can check this. Print. What is it I said? 1 plus 2 to the power of 3. 1 plus 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 plus 3 to the power of 2. What is the result here? 19. So evaluation is always done from where? Right to left. If you have multiple exponential operators, multiple exponent operators, okay, but in a given operators always, expression is evaluated using highest precedency operator. Highest precedency operator. For example, if I'm writing 1 plus 2, okay, 1 plus 2 into 3, okay, 1 plus 2 into 3 minus 1, okay, minus 1 and multiply again to the power of 3, okay, to the power of 3 mod, okay, mod 2, okay, mod 2. If I'm writing like this, this is an expression and having how many operators? Plus, star, minus, star, star, and one more is what? Percentage. Tell me which one is given first precedency? In all these operators, which one is given highest precedency? Which one is given highest precedency? Highest precedency is given to which operator? Exponent operator. Highest precedence is given to which operator? Exponent operator. Exponent. So first it will evaluate which one? Exponent. That is 1 to the power of 3. 1 to the power of 3. Then it is 1, right? Then my expression is 1 plus 2 into 3 minus 1 mod which one? 2. Then next how many operators are there? Plus, star, minus, and percentage. Is a star and percentage is given equal precedency or not? Yes. Star and percentage is given equal precedency here. Star and percentage is given equal precedency. Then evaluation is from left to right. Then 1 plus, 1 plus what is that? 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is what? 6. And 6 minus 1 mod which one? 2. Then in plus minus 1 and in plus minus and percentage, which one is given highest precedency? Percentage. 1 mod 2. What is the remainder? 1. 1 mod 2. What is the remainder? 1. 1 plus 6 minus 1. And plus and minus is given equal presidency or not? Yes. So 1 plus 6 is what? 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So always the evaluation of expression, is done. Okay, always the evaluation of expression is done based on which one? Presidency of operators. Oh, 2 to the power of, where is power of here? 2 into 3 is there. Here 2 into 3. There is only 2 into 3. There is no power of here. 1 to the power of 3. This is 2 into 3. So there is a multiply operator, right? There's no, okay. There's a multiply operator, but not that one, right? Yes. So 1 plus 2 into 3 minus 1 to the power of 3 mod 2. But you have to remember this presidency. Can I change this presidency by using parenthesis or not? Yes, because grouping is always given first precedence. Grouping is always given first presidency. Grouping. You're trying to group it. You're trying to group it by using which one? Parenthesis. You're trying to group it by using parenthesis. Okay, suppose, yes, just try to, okay, this link, I'm pasting this link here. This is for practice questions. You have some practice questions here. You can take this practice questions here. Okay. These are some practice questions, fundamentals. This link I copied here. Okay. And there is one more link also. Just try to fundamental questions. There's a fundamentals. All these are fundamental. Okay. Yes. But some, see, whatever questions you can able to solve it, you solve it. Okay. Because you take only the things which are in our syllabus, whatever it is there in our syllabus. And there is one more link also. I'll try to put that link also. Okay. Yeah. I'll try to put that link also. This is MCQs again. Now here you have so many test related things are there. This is one more thing. And this link also I'll try to put it. See where you can have, write the output of the following code. 7 plus 2 / 1 to the power of 2 greater than, like this. But this greater than, less than, we have not completed. Okay. But this is having number of test cases. See here. There are number of test cases are there. Now MCQs on introduction to Python. Okay. Now you can have even programs. You can also have programs on this. You can take this also. This link also I'll try to copy. So 2 links I copied here. Yes. Data types. MCQs on data types. But see, whichever topics we covered, you try to take only that. But don't take the things which I have not covered, right? Okay. And not only that, if you see this dashboard, right? See the dashboard here. In the dashboard, you can find, see here, how many programs? 300 Python programs. Okay, 300 Python programs. See, a lot of advertisements are there in this, but you have to check the program. See the things which we covered, you write only that. But so many programs are there in this. Okay, so many programs are there in this. Okay, all these are programs from object oriented, everything is covered here. Now you can see AND gate implementation, OR gate implementation, XOR gate, NOR gate. Yes, left shift, right shift. Now eval function. So find the quadratic equation in Python. Quadratic equation. Okay, f of x. Okay, yes, quadratic equation. Okay, now this is finding the quadratic equation. Now just see all these programs, but anyway, we'll try to see some more examples. Okay, not today, but tomorrow we'll see some more examples related with this operators, right? So today we'll just stop it here and tomorrow we'll continue with this, right? So thank you. We'll stop it here today and tomorrow we'll continue, right? But I'll tell you programs. Don't worry. We'll see the programs also. Even though I'm telling you some programs, but we'll see more examples. Okay, applications, we'll see it, right? So thank you. We'll see tomorrow.